Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a cleaning video because 2024 is right around the corner and my studio looks horrible. Like literally, this is embarrassing to even post. Like it looks horrible. Let me show y'all the mess. And trust me, I know how bad it looks. Like I know how bad it looks. Like look at this. This is crazy. And we can't enter 2024 with the studio looking a mess, okay? We need it to be neat, organized, you know? You gotta enter the new year with a clean space. Let's address the first elephant in the room. Is the fact that all of my shoes are not organized. They go in there. And the fact that I just have all of this trash, I guess, just chilling there. It's just been chilling on this floor for months. Have I picked it up? No, clearly. So we have to do that. We need to put this, I think it's just like winter clothes. Put it in my closet. This box, I had this huge shipment of molds, and then I just, the box is huge. I just never like threw it away. So that's that. I don't even know what to say about this table. Oh, that is my record player. I really have no idea where to put it. So we need to figure out where to put it because I have all these new vinyls. And by new, I mean thrifted vinyls. I just haven't heard them. I like collecting vinyls. Like, yeah. I like collecting vinyls even though I have no idea who the artist is. I don't know what these songs are. But I think it's just a fun way to like hear new music, listen to new music. So I think I have like 10 new vinyls that I bought for like $2. And I haven't even heard them because my record player is literally like unworkable right now. I have things everywhere, so we need to figure out where to put that, to be honest. I need to organize my 4-tiered stand. I had a market previously, so that's also why my room looks a bit messier than usual, because some of this was in that 4-tiered stand and I had to like transfer it to this section for my market and everything. So yeah, it's looking rough. And then this, don't get me started on this. This is where I used to do all my resin pours. Clearly you can see all of my silicone mats or whatever. I don't know what happened. She kind of fell off and I started using that table instead. But we need to get back to using this table too. So we have to clean. First things first is music, okay? Because if y'all saw me here cleaning this entire studio for hours without music, y'all would think I'm a psychopath, you know? And I promise you I'm not. So I don't know what to listen to. What's the vibes? What are we feeling? I don't know. Okay, decided to start off with my favorite song. Cough Syrup by the Giants. I mean, Young the Giant. I'm too shy to even care at all. Starters, we have a trash bag. Beat up a drum. See this straight, I ran away.
I'm just calling to say that I love you.
Shirts I made to sell and I didn't sell, so I don't know where to put them. I'm gonna put them to the side and I'll figure this out later. These are all molds. Since I'm gonna keep the box, I think I should put the wooden boxes in there, and then I can put this whole box up there. Ideas, thoughts? I'm hungry now. It's been, I think, like 45 minutes. Let's get some cereal. I love Honey Bunches of Oats. This is my favorite cereal. I can get, well, I got strawberry and I have almond right now, but the original is really good too. Ooh. And then, this is gonna be weird, but banana milk. Does it still work? I actually can't tell, to be honest, but let's see how it tastes with this cereal. I think it should be good. It's actually pretty good. I mean, you don't drink it alone. It tastes like nuts alone, but with cereal, it tastes really good. Let's do a little ASMR, shall we? All of this is a resin, so let's pick this up. Let's peel it off. The whole thing is literally lifting. Okay. It goes all around this back. Whoa. 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 Okay. All right. Wow. That's so cool, actually. Progress is being made. This is the area we need to do next. I organized, I fixed. It looks a lot better than before. Okay, time to fix this. I don't know why my wig is just randomly here. I need to put it where she goes. Oh my gosh. It's not even 12 yet. Like, I'm getting so much done. It's not even midday. This is what my room looks like if I just had my little window open. I don't really get any light in here. I bought a new lamp. So, what do we think? What do we think? I don't know how I feel about it. It has different color settings. So this is the warm one. And then boom, it's a little less warm. Okay, and then we have boom, cold lighting. I don't know. What do y'all think? It's because that lamp is the only one I use really, and it's very chunky. It takes up a lot of space, and I don't want it here. Look at this huge bag full of trash. I don't even know if I can carry it, to be honest. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's gonna stab somebody. You see that? Oh my goodness. Probably gonna rip from all angles. Okay, now that I vacuumed these, let's pick it up. Oh my gosh, I don't want it to come apart. Slowly pick it up. I am so proud of myself. Look at me doing this on a Friday morning. I think it's like 12:30 right now. Whew. I'm tired. Hey! Ooh, 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 ooh. I am happy to announce that we're done! Let me show you how great I did! Okay. You walk in. Guess what? Nothing on the floor. Nothing on the floor. Ooh, the table. Nothing scattered on the table. And now I can use my record player. Look at her, so cute. I look for a stand or like an organizer for all of my vinyl records. Then that used to be up here. I was able to put it over, you know, the box full of the shirts that I didn't sell. And, you know, this is a little bit cluttered, but I don't really use any of what's in these boxes. So that's fine. You know. And this is now free too. And I brought this lamp on this corner so that the new one is on that side of the room. And yeah. I'm so happy. This is literally amazing. I can't remember the last time it was this clean in here. Thank you guys for coming along with me to clean my studio. I honestly would not have made this much progress if the camera wasn't recording, to be honest. Something about having a camera recording makes you want to be proactive, you know? I mean, productive. Makes you want to be productive. But yeah, this is the end of the video. This is Kate signing off. Hey!